What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to take a look and I'm going to give you a little tutorial on the new AKASO EK7000 Pro that I just recently picked up. So, stay tuned through the intro. Guys, welcome back. So if you've been around my channel, you may have caught the video that I dropped a couple weeks ago. I'll put a card up top, but I did an unboxing of the AKASO EK7000 Pro. Now I have two regular EK7000s and this one is the Pro. I recently picked it up, and so today I've been playing around with it for the last little bit, and so today I want to do a tutorial, show you how some of the stuff works on here. I'm not going to give it like a full review. I'll come back later for that, and I've got a couple more things I want to test, but this is just kind of showing you the workings of the camera. We didn't even turn the camera on at the unboxing. We just kind of went through what was in the box and showcased the camera. So today I'm going to show you the camera. So this is the AKASO EK7000 Pro. All right, it is set up very, very similar to the regular EK7000. Buttons are all in the same place. There's a couple features that this one has that the regular 7000 does not. First, we're going to talk about, on this side, you have your two charging ports and you have your micro SD slot, which is like a click-in slot. So you just kind of click your SD card in and your card goes in like so, and clicks, if you can do it, like so. There's your SD card. So now, some of the features on this, it does 4K 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 frames per second, 20 megapixel photos. It does have a 2-inch touchscreen here on the back, built-in stabilization, and with the case, they claim that it's waterproof up to 131 feet deep. So let's go ahead and push this power button and turn the camera on. When you do, this light on the top comes on, and let's see, you have your light on the top, and there is your screen. See me, see me. All right, so you can see up top here, we are in video mode. Across the top, it tells you how much time you have left for your videos, to record videos. After that, you have that little image stabilization that tells you that mine is turned on. Then you have your battery indicator. On the bottom, you can see that we are in video mode there. Or excuse me, that is the button to touch to see your videos and pictures that you have on your camera. You're basically your play button. You can touch video, has that little down arrow. You can touch that and it's going to take it to where you can change from photo, video, burst, turn on your Wi-Fi, do time lapse, all that kind of stuff. Then you just touch that X on the top and you're out of that. And then you actually, one cool thing is if you don't want to see this while you're recording, you just touch the screen, all that goes away. So you touch the screen, it comes back. And then you have your little wrench. That is your settings. So you can go in here and you can adjust all your settings from video resolution. There are a pile of different options. 4K 30 frames per second, 2K 30 frames per second, 1080p, 720 if you need storage space or you're not worried about like the high quality, you can go all the way down to a 720p. You have image stabilization right under that, right here. Image stabilization, you can see I have that turned on. Loop recording, time-lapse video, date stamp, exposure. You can actually adjust the exposure on your videos. And let's see, photo resolution, burst photo, time-lapse photo, and a continuous lap. Then you can go, we're in the top section, you can go to the little cog wheel there, and you have some more settings. You've got special effect, which you can actually change the filters. So you can do a black and white straight from the camera without having to take it to a editing program and change that. See, you can change your angle, which has narrow, medium, wide, and super wide. This camera has an option for an external microphone. That is the next step I'm gonna try. I gotta order the part. or the piece that I need, but I'm going to try the external microphone and test all that out. But there, in the settings, you actually tell the camera, are you using your built-in mic or are you using an external mic, and then it knows what to do. You've got a driving mode, a power frequency, language, date, time, sounds, and an upside down mode. So what upside down mode is if you were going to use this, say, as a dash cam, or the only option you had to mount this for whatever use was upside down, then you can go into the settings and say upside down, and it flips everything over so it's recording your videos the proper way. If you don't hit that setting and you record this way, your videos will be upside down and you'll have to flip them in editing. Let's see if I'm missing anything here. It's screensaver, power save, and you can actually format and reset your camera in the settings, and you have a version button. You can go in there and check out what version you have. Battery life. So far, battery life has been amazing. It comes with 2 batteries, and the batteries are the same as they are for the regular AKASO EK7000. And you can even go on Amazon and pick up some generic batteries that work just the same. You just search AKASO batteries, and they work really well. The charger, I like the charger, charges 2 batteries at one time, and you could actually charge 2 batteries at one time and plug your camera in if you had a 3rd battery in the camera. So really, really awesome camera. So far, I love it. Battery life has been superb, and yeah. So battery door, I showed this in the unboxing, but your battery door is on the bottom, and you just use basically a fingernail, get in there and pull that off, and this is loose, so you have to be mindful of that, not to drop it. And there is your battery compartment right there. We didn't turn it on because I didn't think the batteries were going to come charged, so, and that just clicks back on like so. We're gonna do a lot of videos with this. I'm gonna test the audio. I'm gonna test the image stabilization. I wanna do a lot with this camera, so make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you'll know when those videos drop. But there's a lot I wanna do with this. And yeah, the other difference, it's not a big difference, it's just aesthetics, is the front here is textured on this one, and it's not on the regular EK7000. Now the app that this one uses, AKASO updated their app and basically created a whole new app. It's called Akaso Go. I'll put a picture up here of what the icon looks like. You can download it in the App Store, and it's free. You can, I think there is a paid version that you can pay and do a little bit more. But what's awesome about the app is not only is that where you transfer your photos and videos from this to your phone, you turn on your Wi-Fi, you hook it up to your phone, and then you go into that app and you can transfer all your stuff without ever removing your SD card from your camera. But you can also edit your videos in there. They have awesome editing. I played around with it just briefly, but it is truly remarkable. You have to have an AKASO account, which is simple to create one. You have an AKASO account, you get in there and you can edit your videos and drop them right to your social media or wherever you want to drop them to, and it's done. So really awesome. They've done a lot of work with the app, which I like. That is amazing. Once you connect your camera to your app, when you pull the app up, it's going to tell you, hey, my camera, there's my camera. So I've not connected my other cameras to it yet. I've only done this one, but there's a whole like feed too on the new app, which is almost like a social media that you can scroll through and see other people's pictures, videos, that kind of thing. So it's awesome. So check it out. The AKASO EK7000 Pro. I have a link in the description below. You can get over and check it out on Amazon. Price on this, regular price is $99.99. For an action camera, $100. But from prior to me purchasing it to even now, that's regular price. That's not what the price is right now. It is on sale, so you can pick it up even less. And I imagine closer to Christmas, it'll drop some more. So just make sure to watch that and go pick you up one. It's really awesome. I love mine, and I will use it some more, and we'll see some more videos on the AKASO EK7000 Pro. All right, I think that is it. Let me make sure I didn't leave anything off. I don't think I did. So yes, go check it out. And if you enjoyed any part of this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe and drop me a comment. Would you consider a $100 action camera that has the features that this one has? You tell me in the comments. And I think that is all we've got. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.